तरी मिळायला
Hi, good morning, sir. Sir, just one comment. As far as preparation of exposition, this meeting was held. What was it? If you could highlight something.
Basically, it was a preparatory meeting for the security arrangements that Goa Police will be making for exposition, and we discussed local police deployment by the security unit, and deployment by the traffic. And basically, objective is to ensure that there should be no disturbance to exposition. Number one, number two, there should not be any kind of criminal activity going on. Whenever there is a large gathering of people, then some kind of petty criminals, they come not only from the state but sometimes also from the neighboring area. And then of course the traffic arrangements should be such that the experience of the people visiting the exposition should be smooth, like parking arrangements and movement from the parking lot up to the venue and all these things. So all these things were discussed with the police officers, and it was instructed that the entire arrangement should be very good, because this event, people from Goa, from other parts of the country, and even people from other countries, they come. So it's kind of showcase thing for the Goa. And that apart from that, we also had a discussion with exposition secretariat and other people from cathedral and basilica, and we also noted their concerns, their areas of concern, and then we also addressed those concerns to the committee.
So one more thing is that what would be the total strength when you talk about traffic, security, everything all over Goa, around Goa,
So
like old Goa?
it will be adequate, but around 1,500 people, including all the wings of Goa.
Extra force?
any central force has been
Not central. We will be able to make it from our internal resources.
okay. Last time, sir, there was one issue. The pilgrims who comes walking from the neighboring states, they have raised one issue that they have been stopped at the border and some police has taken money from them, it's in. So they have raised this issue last time. So they have also requested if this
No,
can be
we will-
spent.
It will not be like this. Such things should not happen at all. And necessary instructions will be passed to the check post also, that people who are coming to visit exposition, they should not be inconvenienced in any manner.
So any important thing that has been highlighted from the church side in the meeting
No.
with the police, to the police, your officials?
No, it's kind of we have been coordinating at the ground level for the last many months. So there is no such issue which seems that it will be difficult to arrange for by the police. Right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.